We should investigate and see what we can figure it out. And furthermore, look at the couple of Aptos digital currency cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 21st of October 2022. Aptos made sense of. With the sheer assortment of digital currencies that are out there, it very well may be to some degree hard to remember that what connects a large portion of them together, with the eminent special case of Wave, is the blockchain. The decentralized record which permits individuals have their exchanges and framework modifications recorded yet doesn't have a solitary mark of power is urgent to the universe of crypto and, likewise, decentralized finance. One could feel that, with so many blockchains out there would be little point in delivering another one. Notwithstanding, with the universe of the blockchain being possibly confounding, little known and loaded up with language, a few engineers might trust they can be the ones to make a blockchain that gets through limits and initiates the standard reception of crypto. Aptos is one such blockchain. It expects to be versatile, implying that it won't dial back when it gets more occupied than expected. Along these lines, setting aside individuals' time and cash, as well as to be secure and dependable. As the white paper says, the Aptos blockchain has been created throughout the course of recent years by over 350+ designers across the globe. It offers new and novel developments in agreement, savvy contract plan, framework security, execution, and decentralization. The mix of these innovations will give a crucial structure block to bring Web3 to the majority. The stage was established by President Mo Sheikh and CTO Avery Ching, who were previous workers of Facebook's proprietors, Meta. They were important for the group liable for the endeavors to make the Diem blockchain and the Novi crypto wallet. While those plans never happened as expected, the abilities and innovation that were there are, they guarantee, being used for this new venture, which additionally works with non-fungible tokens. Each blockchain needs to have its own local token, and Aptos has two. The Aptos coin, additionally realized by its ticker handle of ABLE, is intended to be marked to move the framework along, with remunerations paid out to stakers and individuals who work the framework. For sure, the blockchain utilizes a proof-of-stake agreement system, and that implies that blocks must be added by individuals who as of now hold the coin. Individuals with well-suited are likewise ready to decide on propositions that affect the blockchain's future, making it, to a limited extent, a purported administration coin. The coin can likewise be purchased, sold, and exchanged on digital currency trades. Something to note here is that Aptos is one of the most current crypto projects out there, with the mainnet sent off on the 12th of October and the coin at last raising a ruckus around town market in the early long stretches of the 19th of October 2022. To the extent that tokenomics go, the crypto has an all-out supply of 1 billion. Of this billion, 51% are accessible to the more extensive local area, with 19% going to center donors, 16.5% to the group behind the stage, and 13.48% going to financial backers. Starting around the 21st of October 2022, 130 million were available for use, with the rest of the tokens set to be given north of a 10-year time span. With that all made sense of, let us investigate the, yet rather concise, adept cost history. While what minimal past execution there has been ought not be taken as a sign of future outcomes. Understanding what it has done in the hours since it was delivered can assist with giving us some possibly helpful setting with regards to either deciphering an Aptos cost expectation or probably making one of our own. Aptos originally went onto the open market in the little long periods of the 19th of October 2022, while, as per information from CoinGecko, it was valued at $13.73. Going from CoinMarketCap's figures, it before long fell pretty stupendously, down to a low of just shy of $6.69 a couple of hours after the fact, prior to making a recuperation as the day proceeded to remain at around $7.90 in the early evening, and slipping to exchange at around $7.10 at noon on the 21st of October. The poor early exhibition was not helped by reports of the framework's friction being quieted, which Sheikh guaranteed was an action taken to forestall against tricks. With the coin's previously mentioned dissemination, this gave well-suited a market cap of around $920 making it the 53rd biggest crypto by that estimation, a really noteworthy accomplishment for something which had just been transparently exchanged for a couple of hours. Aptos cost forecast. With that everywhere and finished with, we should investigate a portion of the Aptos coin cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 21st of October 2022. Do note here that cost conjectures, particularly with regards to something as possibly unpredictable as digital money, frequently end up being incorrectly. Likewise, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change whenever. Something different that is intended for Aptos at the hour of composing is that, since it is such a new crypto, there is less history to work with, really intending that there will be less able expectations as of now. It is essentially sure that will change from now on. to begin with, felt that things could go pretty well when it came to making its able cost forecast. That's what the site said. While the coin's cost could drop to somewhat under $6.99 by the center of November 2022, there could well be a recuperation which would see it exchange at just beneath $8.11 in 2023. By 2024, the site said, Aptos could be worth someplace drawing nearer $15.75, while it proceeded to make an Aptos cost expectation for 2025 of somewhat under $25.48 prior to recommending the crypto could be valued at $41.22 in 2026. In the interim, had an Aptos cost expectation for 2022 that contended the crypto could close the year in a place somewhere in the range of $8.70 and $19.67. By October 2023, the estimate was for it to remain somewhere in the range of $10.45 and $11.50 a year from that point, and $24.37 and $26.80. By October 2025, the token could exchange somewhere in the range of $23.53 and $25.88, while by 2030 the general spread was gauged as being from $290.47 to $414.96. Had an Aptos crypto cost expectation that said the token could keep on falling before the year's over, with it figured to possibly exchange at $7.03. Following that, the site stayed hopeful, contending that Adept could be valued at $11.51 in 2023, $15.09 in 2024, and $18.74 in 2025. By 2026, the idea was that Aptos could reach $20.02, with it possibly worth $22.57 in 2027 and $26.38 in 2028, preceding conceivably shutting the 10 years at $31.84. The site then proceeded to make an Aptos cost expectation for 2030 that saw it exchange at $39.34, before it possibly hit $48.77 in 2031. At long last, had an Aptos cost expectation that said it could close 2022 at $7.61, coming to $14.30 every year from that point. By October 2024, the site said the coin could be valued at $15.97, while a year on the idea was that it could exchange at $17.14. That's what the site anticipated. By October 2026, the crypto could merit a potential $17.89 prior to shutting that year at $17.99. While considering an able coin cost forecast, it's essential to remember that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, examiners and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital currency coins or tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news,